Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Warm greeting to each and everyone who is listening to this video. My name is Dr. Sayyed Naveed and I am working in Ibn Sina Medical Center as a general practitioner. Today I am going to speak about one of the warm issues of these days, which is COVID-19, and what I will be telling that what challenges you may face after suffering from COVID-19 and how to deal with those challenges. I'll try to make few main points and then explain them accordingly. The first point is that most of the people who have suffered moderate to severe coronavirus illness, this COVID-19, they are facing extreme fatigue for the next few weeks to months, and we don't know exactly till what time they may have these feelings, because still the corona is under evolution and we still are working on researching on this topic. So the fatigue, how to deal with that fatigue is one of the very important points. The first point, which is foremost and the most important, is that you have to sleep well and maintain good dietary habits. In that case, at least 7 to 8 hours of night sleep as well as a short sleep in the afternoon after the food is something very important. Number 2, exercise according to your energy levels. This is also very important, that you have to evaluate yourself. How much can you exercise without difficulty, and gradually how much you can increase. First evaluate yourself, then start exercising according to your adjustments. That will be really helpful in increasing your respiratory capacity as well as the whole organs capacity overall. Number 3, you have to avoid any kind of habits which overexert you or may cause you to go under stress of any kind, either stress psychologically or stress of physical work. If you do these main things, it will be definitely helpful to you. About diet, you have to include a good amount of vegetables and fruits, because these are the cement of our body wall. The main bricks are proteins, fats and carbohydrates, which we can find in meat, in dairy products. But the vitamins and minerals, the most of the quantity is in vegetables and fruits. So to cement your bricks well, you have to go according to this diet plan, that you have to start fruits, vegetables as well as proteins and fats and carbohydrates also. So these basic points, which are simple, but you have to apply them completely in your lifestyle. Then comes another point, which is poor appetite. Poor appetite is very difficult to increase because the corona has already affected your intestinal tract and it has already affected many parts of your body. But to increase that, again the vegetables and fruits are the main point, as well as you try to take small meals at regular gaps. That will help you in building your immunity, boost your energy, as well as it will not overburden your digestive system. Then comes another point, which is breathing difficulty. Some people have faced breathing difficulty up to 3 to 4 months after recovering from COVID-19 illness. In that case, we have to do respiratory exercises, the respiratory breathing exercises. You have to sleep on one side of your chest, or sometimes you can sleep your chest down and your back up. Means the pressure should be on your belly. You can put one pillow under your belly, that can help you increase your respiratory effort. So this will definitely help you in getting your breathing better and better. And if you are suffering from any concurrent illness like asthma, like old COPD, then in that case you have to continue your inhalers or whatever medicines you are taking. Number 3, about fear and anxiety. Most of the people, they are suffering from corona fear and anxiety, especially who have suffered a severe illness. In that case, first of all, increase your social gathering. This is a general advice for everybody, even in case you suffer from any illness. But in this corona time, when people got ill, people lost the jobs, people had financial difficulties, you have to have an extraordinary good network of people who can support you in difficult times. Number two, avoid watching videos and news about COVID-19. It doesn't mean that you should not know anything, but try to avoid overexposure. That is not good, because that may cause you anxious and depressed. And number three, you have to sleep well. Again, you have to sleep well. Sleeping and eating habits are probably the cornerstone of the COVID recovery. These main points, if you do, it will be definitely a good recovery from corona. The last and the most important point, all these things which I told you, these are for common, general, mild to moderate symptoms. If you are thinking that you are more sick than usual and you cannot even perform your mild to moderate day-to-day activities, then it is my first advice to you to go back to your physician and get you checked again. Maybe the other comorbidities, asthma, diabetes, hypertension, heart diseases, and all those things, maybe they are contributing to your fatigue more than what COVID-19 did. And in that case, you have to revise your medications, you have to think about the other causes also. So my advice which I gave you are mostly for mild to moderate symptoms of fatigue, symptoms of breathing difficulty, symptoms of poor appetite, as well as symptoms of fear and anxiety. Another last point, not to avoid consulting a psychiatrist if you think your anxiety or depression is more than moderate. Then you must go and see a psychiatrist, because this is a general avoidance in our society, that we are trying to avoid psychiatrists, that people may feel that we are not having mentally capable of dealing with our problems. But this is a normal part of life. The social circle has been reduced, we are overburdened with the work, so it is completely advisable to see a psychiatrist in any symptoms which are more than moderate or in the severe category. Thanks a lot for listening to my advice, and I hope it will help you in recovering from your illness. Thank you.